Today, I'm going to show you how to make a truly authentic Bengali Musur Dal. This is a very simple yet delicious lentil soup that pairs perfectly with rice or some flatbread. For the dal, you will need the following ingredients: 200 grams of red lentils, 1 tomato, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Panch Phoron, 1 to 2 dried red chilies, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 to 2 fresh green chilies, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 900 milliliters of water. First, add your washed lentils and the water to a pot and bring it all to a boil. You'll see some foam forming on the surface. Just go ahead and skim that off. Now add the salt, the diced tomatoes, and the turmeric to the pot. Give it a good stir, and then let the dal simmer for about 20 minutes. The lentils should be really nice and soft by the end, and starting to fall apart. Now, let's take care of the tadka. For this, heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the Panch Phoron mix and the dried chilies. Fry them for about half a minute. Now add the onions and fry them until they turn a brown color. After that, add the green chili, garlic, and ginger. Let everything continue to fry together for a few more minutes. Now, add the entire contents of the pan to the cooked lentils in the pot. Mix everything well and let it simmer together for another 5 minutes. At the very end, all that's missing is a little lemon juice. Season to taste, and your Bengali Musur Dal is ready. Enjoy your meal.